Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to bring back the OneDrive icon on your Windows desktop. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to your Windows desktop and directing your attention to your system tray. This is the area in the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll typically find various app icons, the clock, and system notifications. The system tray is where OneDrive usually appears when it's running, so this is the first place you'll want to check. If you're not seeing your OneDrive icon in the system tray, don't worry, there are a few possible ways to recover or unhide it. First, check if the icon might have accidentally been moved to the hidden section of your system tray. Sometimes Windows automatically hides certain icons to keep your taskbar clean, or you might have accidentally dragged it there. To check this, look for a small upward-pointing arrow in your system tray and click on it. This will reveal any hidden icons, and you might find OneDrive sitting right there. If you see it, you can simply click and drag it back to the main system tray area for easier access. Another important thing to make sure of is whether you've actually launched the OneDrive app. Even though OneDrive is installed on your computer, it won't appear in your taskbar unless it's actively running. To launch it, head over to your Start menu by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type in OneDrive and press Enter. This will launch the application and get it running in the background. The app may seem to work in the background for syncing your files, but if it hasn't been initiated or isn't set to start automatically, it won't run by itself. This means it won't appear on your taskbar until you manually open it. Once you've launched OneDrive through the Start menu, you should see the icon appear in your system tray within a few seconds. From there, OneDrive will continue running and syncing your files as usual. And that's how you bring back the OneDrive icon on your Windows desktop. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.